How are you guys? Lana here from With a Touch of Luxe, and today I'm talking beauty products. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I spend a lot of time focusing on what I put on my face as far as makeup, like the newest trends, the newest colors, the newest products. But we also, as beauty, makeup, and product wearers, need to be aware and conscious of the things we use to take that makeup off our face. We don't want to strip our skin out. We don't want to dry our skin out. We want it to make our skin better when we're taking these beauty products off of our face. And so I want to talk to you today about this clean beauty brand that I have been using called derm.one. They have some amazing products out there. Like I said, they're a clean, all-natural, non-GMO, organic products. They follow the EU really strict guidelines for what they put into their products. There's no chemicals and synthetic things. The EU guidelines are way more strict than here in the US, and they follow that protocol because they want their products to be that good. So the idea is luxury skin items that are clean, organic, that are really good for your skin, but also at an affordable price point. So those all are wonderful things that appeal to me. So that's why I like this brand, and I want to tell you all about it. So I've been using two of their products. I have been using the eye makeup remover, and I've been using their detoxifying cleanser. And so the first one I'm going to show you guys is this Aqua de Visage. Pretend I said in a really fancy accent. Eye makeup remover. It's supercharged with amino acids. There's rose water in it. You don't need to scrub. Literally, you soak a cotton pad with this makeup remover, gently rub it on your eyes, eyelids, and the makeup just comes right off. It's so gentle, you don't even need to rinse it. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to get face naked in front of you guys and take my makeup off so you can see how well, how easy, and how beautifully this eye makeup remover works. So you just flip the top. It's got a really neat application. It's kind of a little sponge part right here. And I'm just going to take a cotton pad, clean cotton pad, and the instructions say to soak the cotton pad. I'm just going to hit it about 2 times. 1, 2, and then it gets onto your cotton pad nice and wet. And I'm just going to gently rub. So I'm starting with my eyebrows here. Gently rub here. I'm on the top of my eyelid. Nothing hard, nothing harsh on this delicate area. Just gently rub the top of my eyelashes. And I'm going to go underneath to get underneath my mascara and my bottom eyeliner, just gentle as can be. Yuck, right? But also, oh, so good that this all came off so gently with no irritation. So I'm going to do it again on my second eye. I'm going to take a second cotton pad, a clean pad, because I don't want to cross-contaminate in case there's some kind of infection. Not that there is, but just to keep things clean. So I'm getting a new cotton pad for my other eye, and the same thing, I'm going to press on it twice to saturate the cotton pad and then rub it along the side. And again, just gentle, gentle as can be. It's very clean. It smells good. My eyes have not been irritated. Some makeup removers I've used, they kind of make your eyes sting. And this one does not. And it does a really good job at taking off all the residue, all the buildup from the makeup of the day. And then it's not just an eye makeup remover. It's also a cleanser to get the rest of your face makeup off too. So I'm just going to take the back of the cotton pad and kind of use it to wipe off my foundation. I told you I was getting face naked for you guys. So there's no product left. See? Ugh. But also, how well does that work if it takes that off, right? So I'm just gently rubbing, nothing scratching. And again, you don't need to scrub. You don't need to rinse. Literally, this cleanser is so gentle but so effective on your skin with its organic ingredients that you just put it on. Voila, your face is clean, except for my little cotton smudge. So that was part 1. And that's like what I said I've been using to take my makeup off now. I've used it for a little over a week. It's about yay gone, I would say. So there's quite a lot of product in here that will last you a long time.